Naku apa tip siapang cumi. Bakal pat. Bapinom si kelayang ah.
Kikubor Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
ICFA University, Meghalaya.
Kajing senai ke sudok fulin. Na Sherpi syahnyong mer opar Shillong. Kalau pensuk haduk kata-kata kalit kawan cengki kali. Kibakiu syakatahan opar Shillong. Pak kajing tumuhi kalang manpelat ya kajing dahing kali andapoi Sherpi. Henry kani kajing tumu kala penban menta dak Hongpong. Namar bagi kali kibawa nakatahan opar Shillong panyar syakasurong GS Road katahan maulai andapoi Sherpi kisah akut penban hakadahing kali. Kipai ba kilapha igi video bakiring hi syaka opes jong obat CCTV kilong bakajing dahing kali nakadaw jong kajing kini iya kali ondapoi halal Sherpi namar bakani ka benta kadai ka badan bun teli kilat pat kali kikiyo kihyar.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.